G'day folks, this is another S Group Daily Review video, video number 83 I believe, and I'm recording this video following day from our earnings last night. I got in real late last night. I had a couple things I had to attend to, so I was not able to make the video, but we got our earnings last night, guys, and we made 0.39% on the money we have invested, which came out to $63.64. And I also got a referral bonus early this morning. I noticed the email when I woke up, $29.78. What that is, guys, is one of my team members, their money that they had invested expired for the 30-day cycle. So the earnings they made automatically got reinvested, and I made 9% off of those earnings, which is $29.78. So that got paid out to me. So all in all, guys, I made over like $92, $93 yesterday out of my own personal investment and my referral bonus. So it's really good in S Group to build your team, guys, which I was talking about in previous videos. How you can make money off of your team members and everybody, and also you make money off of their downline too if they start up a team as well, which is really exciting, guys. So this money gets added to my total deposit, which is $22,058. And I'm just taking it day by day here, guys. Click on all is red. There we go. So yeah, if I click on investments here, I have the next milestone I'm going to be reaching is 25,000. When I reach that milestone, I'll be making 80% of the profit share for that day, as opposed to 75%, which I'm making right now. So they're getting 25%, and then once I get to the next tier here, they're going to be getting 20%. I'll be getting 80%. So that's the second last tier, guys. And then after that, I'll be looking for 50,000, which probably won't happen for about maybe a year or so. But in any event, things are looking pretty good here, guys. And I got these two investments running here. This one here is a brand new one. So this one will kick in today, actually, when we get our earnings later this evening. So this is, yesterday was just this one that earned, but anytime you have a new investment, it takes one business day to go through. So this one will start up today. So yeah, things are looking pretty good so far, guys. So if you're just kind of stumbling upon S Group and wanting to know a little bit more about it, don't be shy, guys. Shoot me an email. Let me know what you think of the system so far. Let me know if you have any further questions. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. My email address is actually in the description down below, so you can shoot me an email and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. And yeah, guys, my sign up link, if you're looking to sign up with S Group, my sign up link is in the description down below. Just sign up, yeah, check it out. Take a look at the back office, guys. You can even start off with like a small investment, which is kind of what I did. I started with like $100, $200 like 2 years ago, and now you can see where my account is, guys. I'm like well over 22,000, and yeah, things are looking really good, guys. I've made entirely in the system, I think over 16 grand. I think it is. It says here, yeah, there it is, $16,719.82. So that was over a 2-year period, guys. That's how much money I've made, and the money I'm earning on is $22,000.58. And yeah, you can start at any level here, guys. Like, these are the first two levels that most people start at when they invest in forex. And yeah, you can start off, the minimum is $100. I mean, anybody, I'm sure most people have $100 to spare to try something out for a money earning opportunity, and you can just keep on earning day by day, guys. We get our earnings 8 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday, and it's really nice, I must say. The withdrawals are nice and simple. You just go underneath the finance section here, and you just fill out all this information underneath the withdrawal tab. You hit withdrawal, and then you get your money, guys, and then you can transfer it to your bank account. And everything takes about 24 to anywhere from 1 to 2, sometimes as max as 3 days, but usually it's 1 to 2 days that everything goes through. So anyways, guys, that ends my 5-minute daily review video. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can be notified of all my recent updates and any new announcements with S Group. But thanks very much, guys, and see you guys in the next video.